Welcome to Phoenix Trading. So here we are again seeing the Nifty weekly outlook now. And as you can see, I have opened a silver chart, and we were discussing about silver, to break out. Silver can break out its all-time high because it has made all-time high long back in October 24, and then uh, it has been trying to, break that high, but somehow it has, stuck into a VCP pattern, that is a volatility contraction pattern, where a stock or a script stuck into a narrow zone, and it has done the same way this time. On March 25th, it has broke down its recent high and again retest for few days. And in last 5 days, silver has given you almost a 5%, which is a very decent return on a metals, precious metals like silver or gold, giving 5 to 6% in few days. Now, what's the target for silver? So you just have to mark this range, okay, and you have to put it around the breakout zone and calculate how much it can go. So according to my feeling, silver can still go up to 1,10,000. Currently, it has trading around 1 lakh. So more 10% upside is possible right now. So it's a really good swing trade when your all portfolios into negative. You can hedge your positions with this kind of trading. Let's check the gold also. After a long consolidation, like in Feb 10th, it has made all-time high. Then after almost a month, gold created another high, and it is trading above this zone. So first target will be this zone range. We will put it above. So let's mark this range, 3%, around 3%. So first target in gold will be 89,000 to 90,000. This is gold future I'm talking about. In domestic market, the rates can be differ for gold, but international level futures now trading around 87,000. And look at the chart. It's really good chart, making higher high, higher low structure, then again consolidating for few days, and then it's giving breakout. So such kind of breakouts is more sustainable when something is spending time, okay, absorbing all kind of selling and then giving a breakout. So gold and silver is looking really bullish for me now. There is no there is very less possibility of that gold will crash in future, because volumes are also good. Only thing I am concerned about is 200-day moving average, which is it's not 200-day, it's a 300-day moving average, which is trading around 73,000. So currently the script is running almost 18 to 19% above its fair value. So I feel that gold can spend more time consolidating on this range, and then it will eventually go up. So let's get back to Nifty. What's happening in Indian market now? Nifty is currently making a lower high, lower low structure, and it is trading below all its kind of important moving average. This is a 300-day moving average, this is a 50-day moving average, and this is a 21-day moving average. So we can say Nifty is trading bearish in long term. That is a yearly forecast. Nifty is trading below its short-term moving average. It's a 50-day moving average, and Nifty is trading ultra, short-term timeline. Also, it's a bearish sign. Uh, it's so weak that it's not able to close about this 21-day moving average also. So those who are, thinking like it's now reversal, Nifty will go up from here, or they are putting aggressively averaging their position. My advice is just to wait more. Don't open your aggressive position yet, because if Nifty is showing this cut type of structure, then you can imagine the stocks into it. You can imagine mid cap and small cap sector stocks, what they will be going through, because like majority of people's portfolio are down with 30%, 40%, and it will take time to cover entire that portfolio. It's not like in a like V-shaped recovery you have seen in the past, like here, okay, then you can say here it makes all the recovery and made a new high also. This kind of selling was very furious and उसने जल्दी से cover कर लिया था, but I don't think so. This time, this is a very sustainable, this is a very gradual fall, and this fall is very dangerous than this kind of sudden fall. Sudden fall might see the sudden recovery also, but in this kind of structure, Nifty, even if Nifty not like fall much from here, but it will spend time, like time-wise correction is due in Indian market now, and the new trader which haven't seen this kind of scenario, they will suffer for sure. So don't average stocks aggressively. Keep some kind of fund into more downside if you get. And what if market suddenly rise from here? Then also you can average your position into uptrending stocks. That is called pyramiding. That is called not called averaging. It's called pyramiding. So pyramiding is much safer than averaging. If you want to average, I told in last video, many videos also, do average in only in index fund, because we know index will never go to zero. There is a 0.000001% chance that Nifty will go zero, right? I guess everyone is agree with this. But you can't say Airtel future in next 25 years, right? My technology can change and Airtel can be zero. It's just an example. I'm not giving any kind of advice. If you want to trade, you just have to consult your financial advisor. I am just giving you an example that what kind of scenario might happen, what kind of risk involved in, choosing particular stock. So, if you want to average out, just open an index fund. It's a better to save park your money into there. Or second thing is to find out a strong stocks in a falling market. So this needs some kind of skills, some kind of training. And if you want to learn, you can join my classes where I teach how to find such kind of strong stocks. So if I want to give example, what kind of strong stocks available right now in the market? So there is a one called stock SRF. We will see the SRF. Look at this. After I will convert this into a weekly chart. So SRF has in sideways since 22, and it break out when entire market is crashing. That time the stock has given a breakout. It's long term breakout. So you can imagine what kind of bullishness this stock is having, that investor is trust so much that market is falling. But even if this stock is standing there for 2 years and now it has given a breakout, and it has sustained that breakout for more than a month. And look at the volume also. Look at the volume here. Okay. So this is called a strong stocks. You have to watch it for. If you want to add some position, then add in the strong stocks like this. So it has more 25% from this breakout level, and from current market position, it has more 22% scope to go there. So this is kind of swing trade you can think about, instead of trying to catch the falling knife and thinking that the stock will bounce back. No, it won't happen. The chances are very less. The chances are more to stuck you down on those stocks, time wise also and money wise also, right? So this is the SRF stocks which I'm talking about. And another stock there is, you can say, Hindustan Zinc. So this is a stock which is turned into a downtrend. But if I delete all those previous marking, the stock has been in a consolidation, same like SRF, for 2 years, like 21 to 24, 3 years. Okay. Then it has given a strong breakout, but it never retested its previous level. It never retested its previous level. Look at the volumes. Look at the volumes. And stock went up straight away. So in market what went up straight away, there are high possibility that it can come down in the same speed, and exactly it happened. And the falling market has given a more confidence for this stock to correct more. So it has made a flag also here, and flag breakdown it happened, and now it has come around this breakout zone also. So if you want to buy a falling stock, you have to consider the stock like this, not stock like this. If you want to buy the stock, choose the stock which have rows a multi in a multiplication, and then it came back. Now you have a very less risk. If you want to buy over here, it was a very risky bet, but now you have a certain, criteria where to exit. You will exit immediately below the low of this week, last week candles. Okay. So your risk is very low in such stock. You have only risk of 12%. That's it. But if I calculated the gain, if I calculate the all-time high of this stock, it's a 72%. Okay. Upside is available. Even if it took the 2 years for gaining this 72%, the CAGR will be 30%. Right? So there are many chances that you are getting opportunity in this falling market also, but do not choose just on a name. If for example I am thinking that Asian Paints is a good name, then I will buy that stock. No, you have to be aware that stock where is that stock standing technically on the chart. Hindustan Zinc has been in a zone since 2017. This zone is like, a really big zone. And then it got breakout. And Hindustan Zinc giving a good dividend also. Even if the stock is, in a range for a year or two, you will get definitely more return than FD. It's not sure that every year it gives the dividend, but past history showing that Hindustan Zinc is giving a good dividend. You can Google it, right? So such examples are many in the market. You want to learn, you can contact me anytime. We will sit together for a session and you will get a good idea how to find such kind of stocks. Okay. So let's move on to Bank Nifty. What's it's doing? Bank Nifty is trading on a crucial level now, and it has been really in a delicate structure. If any weekly close above this level, below this level, sorry, and we can see a major selling. Okay, so we have to wait for this week how the situation will occur in upcoming time. Any weekly close above this level will confirm that this fall has stopped for a while, and we can see the Bank Nifty can rise for a little bit for a while, but no aggressive position in Bank Nifty, right? Let's check the auto also. Auto also trading below its moving averages, and the fall is not in a way to stabilize. Uh, I guess the Nifty, sorry, this index can fall more around this trend line. So I will wait how this structure will, design in the future. IT is, as I told last to last week also, I will wait till here, till this trend line touches, and it's almost there now, almost there. So let's wait for this week also how the IT index will, react to this trend line, and then we will see that if there is any opportunity to go for an IT stocks. Okay, so let's wait. FMCG also respect this trend line and 1 week defended the low of this trend line. Let's see how FMCG will react to this trend line in upcoming weeks. Metal, as I told you last time, I'm waiting for this line to break out, and in last week, metal has breakout and now retested also, right? So Nifty Metal is looking good for me for this week. If you want to do something, keep focus on Nifty Metal. But at the same time, Nifty Metal is trading below its important moving average. If I go to, you know, on daily time frame, it is trading below its 200-day moving averages. And here situations are improving to 20-day moving average is crossing above its 50-day moving average. And once 50-day moving average crossed above 200-day and 20-day also crossed about 200-day. And at the same time, 20-day, if 20-day cross 50-day moving averages, and if CMP is above all those things, then only we can take aggressive position in swing trade. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so wait, there is no need to hurry to make aggressive positions, right? Let's go to mid cap now. Mid cap is reeling again very fast, and election day results low. It has touched. Okay. So if this low is break, then we can see the mid cap sector came down, will come down near 42,000 also. So more falling is pending here. More 13%. This index can fall. So again, this is a very crucial stage. So you have to wait what will happen. Pharma was the only sector which were trading above its 200-day moving average, 300-day moving average, but now it's trading below this, and it is acting as a resistance to it. It is not able to make pharma index to cross above this those moving average, and now 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average also going down below its 300-day moving average, which is a very negative thing for swing trading. And for investing, you have to wait for next support also. Next support is down here around this zone. So we have to wait little bit, or we have to wait to cross this resistance. Okay. So this week is entirely sideways. I feel not much opportunity available in the market. PSU banks also reeling, then small cap also reeling, and it has, breaking down its crucial supports also. Private banks is not in a good position. So entire all the sectors are, trading in a sideways zone. There is not much happening in the market, and you also at the same time, when price is showing you nothing, then you also have to do nothing. It's simple. You have to align yourself with the market. Don't try to fight the market. It will knock you down for sure, 1000%. It's really very simple way to, sustain with the market. It's go with the market. Don't listen to yourself what your mind is telling to you. Listen to the just simply the chart, what's price action it's showing. Okay. And if you want to read the price action like a pro, then contact me. We will sit together. New batch is starting from the next month, from the month of April, 1st April. So you can contact me. So that's it. That's it for the week. If you have any doubts, I am giving my number and entire details in this description. So kindly message me. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a nice week ahead.